So now it's about time to make the rear diffuser. First things first, we can just hide that the fender. Let's turn off the subdivision. So we can start by taking some vertices off from that. Let's PS to make a copy and also make a different object for that. Now we're gonna get rid of the words we don't need, starting from the top there. We're just gonna get rid of the extra vertices. Let's space them up to there. Let's extrude them over on the y-axis. Give them their place. Let's take those and we're just gonna push them over on the x-axis. Right over there. Great. Let's hide those. That's causing some visual obstructions. Let's push it over on the z-axis. There. Let's put one more over there and just adjust it from the backside. The front and back, the side and back blueprint are not matching, so we have to come to middle ground. Now let's place these words over on the backside. Let's just follow the right side for now, as it seems more accurate. And if you come to the 3D view, uh, it's not looking good. So we have to fix things. But first is first. Let's just go with the flow for now. Let's push that to the y-axis. Seems alright for now. Let's pick a face. Alright. From this side view and from the back view, it looks perfect. After that, later on, we're gonna check this out from the 3D view. Okay, we have to fix this from the top view or something. Go to active element, then SY0. That's going on to the negative direction. That's not gonna work. So uh, there we go. Only that. Let's give them their reserved places from the top side. Now let's extrude it down over from the back side. There we go. It looks really good for now. but it's going to face some changes over later in the course. Let's get the faces on the normal. Now we have to make a curve over there, as you can see from the right side. It's a tree. Again, recalculate the normals. Now, with Alt selecting the inner vertices, we're going to extrude it. Press E, then right click to keep that extrusion in its place. Then origin to geometry, turn off the mirror modifier. Then get the extruded portions. Then just S and pull them inside. Let's go to the medium point. Just S and pull them inside, just like that. Cool. Now we're just gonna rearrange some places. Now over the right side, we're gonna place things properly. Now again, let's get the inner vertices and just extrude it over on the y-axis inside. Same with the outer portion. Extrude them inside.